Hey guys, we are next to a Volvo V50 and I'm going to share with you some of my ideas about the dome lights under the side mirrors in Volvo cars. So it was an optional equipment and apparently I don't have those. I don't have this option in this car, but I was thinking how hard is it to do it, to install those puddle lights. And I don't mean to replace the side mirror with one that has the light underneath, and I don't want to recode the car just to enable this feature. I was thinking, what can I add to the car to have it working without any coding in the car? So I came up with this. I found those LEDs, which are waterproof, and you just have to drill a hole under the mirror, put it over there, and connect it somewhere to turn on when you need it. Okay, so that's the easy part, but how to connect it to the car so it works as expected? So after some research, I found out that the connection that I'm looking for is the footwell light. The footwell light works separately for the dome light. It will always turn on even if the dome light is turned off. And if I press the yellow button on the remote, I mean this button, which turns on the lights outside the car and turn on some of my interior lights, the footwell light also lights up. So if I connect the mirror light to the footwell, I will have the exact effect that I'm thinking about. This is just a part 1 of the video. I'm not sure if there's going to be part 2 because I don't have much time right now to make this modification, but the important thing is that there is a way to do it. You will just need some time, some patience. You will have to disassemble few parts in the car, solder like 2 wires, and this should work. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Check my other tutorials for Volvo and look out for the part 2 if it's ever going to be made. Thank you for watching and see you soon.